Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So first let's check does we have this LED feature on our device. So open the settings app and the personalization. Unfortunately we have now this option on our device installed by default. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So now let's open the Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter Muviz Edge, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So now we should click to open the app and click Draw Our Apps. Just to here we should tap to Muviz Edge and switch Not Allowed to Allow. Let's go back to the app, click to AOD and let's select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click Apply, and now let's lock our phone. And we can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.